The Prettiest Village in Every English County, Part 2. Welcome back to The Prettiest Village in Every English County, Part 2. If you've missed Part 1, be sure to check it out as we explore the most beautiful and charming villages in England. Today, we continue our journey, discovering more of the beautiful villages that make England unique. Let's jump right into the next batch of stunning villages. 20. South Yorkshire, Wentworth. Wentworth is a stunning village with ivy-covered cottages and the beautiful Holy Trinity Church. The highlight of the village is Wentworth Woodhouse, a grand country house with the longest facade of any country house in England. The estate's grand Baroque and Palladian design, lush gardens and countryside make Wentworth one of the prettiest villages. The house has also been featured in films like The Darkest Hour, The Crown, and Downton Abbey, adding a touch of cinematic glamour to its historical beauty. 19. County Durham, Staindrop. Staindrop is a peaceful village surrounded by rolling hills, wildflower meadows and riverbanks. The standout feature is Raby Castle, a 14th century fortress still home to Lord Barnard. The castle's beautiful rooms, gardens, and large deer park allow visitors to step back in time. Staindrop's mix of history and nature makes it one of the most beautiful spots in County Durham. 18. East Riding of Yorkshire, Thixendale. Hidden in a quiet valley, Thixendale is a charming village with stone cottages and peaceful views. Surrounded by green hills and fields, it's perfect for walking. Trails like the Yorkshire Woldsway offer beautiful views of the countryside. The nearby chalk valleys, shaped by ancient glaciers, make the village even more special. 17. East Sussex, Alfriston. Alfriston, a charming village with over 1,000 years of history, is a prime example of the prettiest village in every English county. The village is home to St Andrew's Church and the Alfriston Clergy House, the National Trust's first property, showcasing medieval architecture with original beams. The Cuckmere River winds its way to the South Downs National Park, offering scenic beauty and natural heritage, making Alfriston a must-visit village. 16. Somerset Dunster. Located between the Bristol Channel and Exmoor National Park, Dunster is one of the prettiest villages in Somerset. The village features cobbled streets lined with charming stone cottages, while the historic Yarn Market, a 17th century building, was once used for the wool trade. At the top of the hill stands Dunster Castle, a beautiful old castle. The village is dominated by Dunster Castle, a beautiful old castle with Norman origins. During the annual Dunster by Candlelight Festival, Dunster's medieval charm is incredibly stunning. 15. Cumbria, Grasmere. Located in the Lake District, Grasmere is a beautiful village famous for its lakeland stone cottages. It was once home to poet William Wordsworth, who called it the loveliest spot that man hath ever found. The village is surrounded by Grasmere Lake and stunning hills like Silver Howe, Helm Crag, and Loughrigg Fell, making it one of England's prettiest villages. 14. Derbyshire, Tideswell. Known as the Cathedral of the Peak, Tideswell boasts a stunning 14th century church with Gothic architecture and a towering spire. The village is famous for its well dressing tradition, where locals decorate wells with colourful floral designs. The nearby Monsell Trail offers scenic, traffic-free walks through tunnels and viaducts, providing breathtaking views of the Peak District, making Tideswell one of the prettiest villages in Derbyshire. 13. Tyne and Wear, Tynemouth. Tynemouth is a beautiful village on the North Sea coast, with a rich history and stunning Victorian architecture. The Tynemouth Priory dates back to the 7th century, and the village's seaside charm attracts many visitors. The village also features lovely Victorian buildings with decorative ironwork and bay windows, making it one of the prettiest villages in England. 12. Dorset, Cerne Abbas. Cerne Abbas is best known for the Cerne Abbas giant, a 180-foot high chalk figure etched into the hillside. But there's more to discover. The village boasts cobbled streets, listed buildings, and a 10th century abbey. Local bakeries serve delicious Dorset apple cakes, while the River Cerne and historic pubs add charm, continuing a centuries-old brewing tradition. 11. Gloucestershire, Painswick. Nicknamed the Queen of the Cotswolds, Painswick enchants with its 17th and 18th century stone houses, which are said to number exactly 99 due to a local legend. The St Mary's Church, surrounded by 99 ancient yew trees, adds to the village's haunting beauty, especially in the morning mist. The Rococo Garden bursts with vibrant blooms in spring, offering a peaceful escape. 10. Lancashire, Downham. Downham, located under Pendle Hill, has preserved its rustic beauty by banning road signs and overhead wires. Visitors enjoy the Pendle Sculpture Trail, and the village has a mysterious history linked to the Pendle witch trials of 1612. St Mary's Church, with its Eye of God steeple, adds to the village's unique feel, making Downham one of the most picturesque villages in Lancashire. 9. Norfolk, Thornham. Thornham, with its traditional flint-clad cottages and pan-tile roofs, was once a bustling port. Today, it's a peaceful village with a long sandy beach and tidal mudflats that support a fascinating ecosystem. The iconic coal barn, one of the most photographed landmarks on the North Norfolk coast, and drove orchards, filled with over 160 apple and pear varieties, make Thornham a true hidden gem. 8. North Yorkshire, Thornton-le-Dale. Thornton-le-Dale is a peaceful village featuring stone houses with pan-tiled roofs, a village green with a majestic walnut tree, and a meandering beck. It is located in the North York Moors National Park and is a designated dark sky reserve, offering remarkable stargazing opportunities. The village's tranquil charm shines brightest after sunset, making Thornton-le-Dale one of the prettiest villages in North Yorkshire and a perfect spot for nature lovers. 7. Suffolk, Lavenham. Known as England's best preserved medieval village, Lavenham boasts over 320 timber-framed houses painted in vibrant hues. The Guildhall of Corpus Christi, a relic of the village's prosperous wool trade, stands proudly in the market square. Lavenham's whimsical, crooked houses add to its storybook charm, even earning it a spot in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. It's undoubtedly one of the prettiest villages in England. 6. West Midlands, Bourneville. Bourneville combines the elegance of arts and crafts style architecture with innovative urban planning. Founded by the Cadbury brothers in the late 19th century, the village was designed as a model community for chocolate factory workers, prioritising their well-being. Known as a factory in a garden, Bourneville reflects Cadbury's forward-thinking legacy, with Cadbury World offering a delightful insight into its rich chocolate heritage. 5. West Yorkshire, Haworth. Haworth is a pretty village where history comes to life. The cobbled streets and stone cottages, made from local gritstone, take you back to the 19th century. Tied to the Bronte sisters, it's the place that inspired Jane Eyre and Wuthering Heights. The nearby South Pennine Moors add to the charm, with wild heather and bilberry colouring the landscape in summer. It's the perfect blend of history, beauty and tranquility. 4. Cornwall, Mousehole. Mousehole, one of Cornwall's prettiest villages, is a peaceful spot along the rugged coastline. Its calm turquoise harbour, framed by whitewashed granite cottages, creates a stunning view. Once a bustling fishing village, it still shows off its heritage with traditional boats by the shore. The village is full of narrow alleys, hidden corners, and colourful flower boxes, blending maritime history and natural beauty for a truly charming experience. 3. Wiltshire, Castlecombe. Castlecombe is a beautiful village in England, known for its charming stone bridge over the Bybrook River. The village is full of Cotswold cottages covered in roses and wisteria. With no modern signs or buildings, it feels like stepping back in time. The village's peaceful woods with oak and beech trees make it even more magical. It's so beautiful it's been featured in movies like Warhorse and Stardust. 2. Staffordshire. Ilham. Ilham is a village that combines stunning English landscapes with Swiss-inspired architecture. In the 19th century, Sir George Gilbert Scott designed this cottage ornate estate village for Ilham Hall, featuring a charming collection of Swiss-style houses. The iconic Ilham Hall, with its Victorian Gothic design and Italian gardens, creates a stunning setting that makes Ilham one of the prettiest villages in England. A true architectural and natural gem. 1. Devon, Clovelly, and the crown for the prettiest village in every English county goes to Clovelly. This stunning village looks like something from a storybook, with its steep, cobbled streets leading down the cliffside to a beautiful harbour. No cars are allowed, so everything is transported the old-fashioned way, on sledges. Put on your hiking boots and explore the southwest coast path, where you'll be treated to breathtaking views of South Wales. Don't miss the chance to try some fresh, locally sourced seafood, a true taste of Clovelly's maritime heritage. Clovelly is an experience you won't forget. And that wraps up part 2 of the prettiest village in every English county. From Clovelly's stunning cliffs to Farringdon's rich history, these villages are filled with beauty and charm. Which one would you love to visit? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stunning travel spots. See you next time.